for those planning to buy a new car. In Moscow or St. Petersburg, I recommend paying attention to the new car aggregator autospot.ru. Go there and get a huge list of cars with discounts from official dealers. Final prices already. You don't need to go anywhere. No need to bargain. Just use the site. Get a great price. And voila, you've bought a new car. So go to autospot.ru. Link will be in the description. The first one is off. So here we are, guys, on the long-awaited rides. And today we're testing not just anything but a Luaz. And a few more cars. That's a Niva, a Tiguan, a Grand Cherokee, and a Pajaro. Well, in my opinion, the Luaz already needs help. Maybe we should push it. Just to make it clear. Drive forward. Now we're going to push. That's it. This is the finish. We've arrived. Well, what are you doing? Come on. That's it. Everyone wanted to see this. That's it. I'm almost there. Oh, it's stuck there too. Look. And the sneaker stayed behind. Haha, dog. Oh, it's stuck, darn it. Haha. The most important thing is to have light socks. Otherwise, you can't see the dirt well. Stanich helped pull out the UAZ, pushed it, and in the end, well, he went into oblivion, along with the UAZ. Oh, that's how he looks now, handsome. Well, when I was with Lunatic, we drove it. I was covered in mud and water up to my ears. Now you are the swimming season. Now I am the swimming season. My turn. I'll go wash off in the puddle. Good that you drove a BMW 9, sitting like that somehow, huh? Not really. Let's pinch the nose in Italiano. Don't pull too hard. Like it's going. Well, yes. Or maybe not. Well, the tire is bald. No, it's fine. So, well, the Niva there has good tires. Cardiant off-road is installed. I think here it is. Where to? Here. Here. Oh. There it is. Let's see. On the levers, I think it is. Well, it seems like it's almost popping out. And if it struggles a bit, it will probably pop out. Oh, how did I push the Lada so awkwardly, and now it's going to wash? Or maybe it was successful. Well, that's it. who's dragging who here? Well, that's it. It's easier and simpler here. Or not. I can't figure out what kind of place this is. The Niva has fresh off-road tires. The Lada's tires are almost bald. It's the standard ones. Oh, how we love mud fountains. All past me. I guess I've already had my share of mud today. I feel like the Jeep won't go. Yeah, the tires are bald, you know. If the tires were good, it would have shown everyone up here. And you think if it flew later, it would have arrived fine. Well, let's not talk about the bad, huh? Why is he going down there? Haha, why? Oh, the Tiguan. Now that's interesting. Well, I understand the Tiguan will go here right away. Ah. It's crawling. So direct. By the way, this is the configuration. Like this, I mean, they have one with such a low city bumper, and there is exactly this type like off-road. And so, this is just the version with the high off-road bumper. We just saw it anyway, how it got a bit dirty. But look, it's gripping. I mean, the tires are completely bald road tires, but thanks to electronics, it works very smartly here, and distributes the torque. So all four wheels spin. It's really cool, of course. But apparently the moment has come when they no longer help. What if we push a little? Maybe try to push you. Don't get out. Ah, what? Yeah, push it forward. There's basically nothing in the way. Cherka sat. Well. Yeah, come on, drive up. Well, we tested the off-road capabilities of the Grand Cherokee. Tell me, it went through beautifully, right? Yes, it went through beautifully. So gentle, really. Honestly, I didn't expect you to get here. I'll step back from this rope. It doesn't inspire any respect at all. This is not a dynamic one. Oh, it's definitely going to snap now. No, phew, it's fine. Guys, what did you expect? Look at the tires. You can barely drive on these. I think even on asphalt, it's undesirable. Aquaplaning and all that. Basically, today as they pass, they take their places. So now we have first place for the Luas, second place for the Chevy. Well, third probably for the Pajaro, because it's towing everyone there, and with such tires naturally, he has more chances. Well, the fourth one is behind the Tiguan. Fifth, the last one, is shared by the 9 playing night rookies because they stayed there. Well, actually, I don't know, through this place, the Tiguan in general. Well, it should look so lively. There is. Look, even on bald tires it's going. How is that? Oh well, power. 330 liters of gasoline. And here too, TSI. And there's Vitalian somewhere. In the Luas. By the way, the guys behind us are sitting there in the Prior, watching so lively. When I offered them to come with us, they said no. No way. Well, everyone has already passed. Look, here he is on narrow tires. It turns out he digs in right away. Vitalian. It's just digging in. I don't think it's that bald, to be honest. What if I push? Let me push you forward. You better stay in the center, or you'll just throw mud around. Exactly. Let's go. Keep going. Come on. One person can pretty much push it in principle. Go forward. Forward. Back. What are you doing? Now Vitalian got splashed. Where are you going? Forward. What are you doing, Roman? Come on, back up, stop. Let's see how bald the tires are now. Oh. Well, yes, they're bald. Well, basically, they're no better than the tires on the Tiguan. I can note. So basically, if we're comparing today with the Tiguan, then the conditions are equal. Later, Rom, take Vitalian into slavery for a week. To fix it right. Ha ha ha, well, how else? The bumper already needs to be changed. Yes. Vitalian, hey, what are you doing next week? Next week? I know what. You're fixing loss with Ramka in the garage. Oh no, right? No. No way, 4 people can't drag you. Let's push it then. Ha. Look, it seems light. Damn, he completely fell asleep. Ha. What is this? Is he jumping like that? Oh, is he afraid of getting dirty? Right. Now we will bring him to clean water. Oh, back. Back. Well, come on. Oh, almost. Pulling him. Well, it seems like he's driving by himself now. Next place. By the way, it's good that we drive. It's good that we drive to the same places. Sorry for the breathlessness, I was running. Can you imagine in the same situation? Kopek's passing on chains. 7's on chains. Now the guys will come. We'll choose a trajectory. We will break through here. Because Kopek 7 here somehow passed through. Behind the vase on the rope, but they were passing. Does he want to go on foot or what? Oh my. I'll get closer and take a look. Excellent. Bravo, haha. Why isn't it moving? This is the track. Even Lazareski's track isn't enough, right? Even Lazareski's isn't enough. Vitalian seems to stay there. Too wet for him. up. Oh my, he couldn't make it. So how to drive here? There. In principle, you can do it here. Well. It's not deep here in principle. The most important thing, yes. Pennies were passing. Oh my. I barely made it, Okay, I'm wet anyway. Well, let's see now. No, in principle, nothing should happen here. Well. Well, you really... Well, more or less, here's the bridge and... The levers are probably on the same level. Who knows? You can't just guess offhand. You need to measure with a ruler. Why is he also with acceleration? Acceleration is not interesting. Oh, almost drove on idle, like it's no big deal. And you talk about Tiguan. What do we have here right away? This is a disaster. Where to drive here? Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think the only place is here, right? You can also go around there and there. Yes, you can go around. Need to measure what's here. Well, here in principle. Well, you sink a little, and then, in principle, it's firm, almost going down. You approach, and then it opens up. Let's get closer. Vitali. Wow. Well, if that's the case, then everyone should. Well, today we clearly have two favorites. Niva. Yes, just by inertia, just like that. Niva and Pajaro. So for 4. The most interesting debate is still between the Luas and the Tiguan. Vitali, what do you think? In your opinion, yes. Who is stronger today, the Tiguan or the Luas? Let's get closer to the Tiguan here. I think the UAZ. You think the Luas? Well, of course, let's check it out. Considering the Luas driver still doesn't have one hand, so well, yes. Just quietly, calmly. There. Still, guys, the grip. What's the grip? It's coming out too. It's coming out? Yes, the grip. Here it is, the road. Reverse the tires now. Go all the way back. And forward, nothing at all. Everyone's holding their breath. clever route on a tricky trajectory. That's enough, all good. Let's hook it up. You know, why are you so clumsy? Give it here. Go. I'll go to the Niva, you to the Tiguan. Both. It's on, Sam. Yes. Or maybe it's not on. Why are you handling it like a beloved girl with 2 fingers? With your hand. Come on. Oh, the bumper is unpacking nicely already. Well, he just needed a little bit more. There were simply no chains. Chains? Yeah, there were no chains. But look at that protective color. It's called Raptor. Black Soil Raptor. Really, yes, just wipe the headlights and don't wash it, it's fine. We're going to the neighboring village for a disco. Look at the songs they know. We're going to the neighboring village for a disco. Yo, good no. Dad's UAZ. Ha ha ha. Well, why is it from my dad? Do you have it? Well, yes. Hey, Dad, I'm sending greetings in the video. And don't scold too much. We need to test it. Or you'll say we're ruining the car. Well, what did you expect? It's not an off-roader. Off-roader. It's an all-terrain vehicle in the light class. The very one, even so, yes. It's the lightest of all. Even the Suzuki Jeep is heavier. There's a different construction over there. And now, we're going to that puddle where the Zaporozhet's got 3 million views. Ah, by the way, what's with that puddle? I already forgot. Something, oh yeah, I don't remember. Was it there? Wasn't it for the Zaporozhets? No. It was when on the red Zaporozhets then. Yes. Wait. Now let's go gather everyone there.